This is a Planet Wildlife unsponsored review for a Turmerry mattress system.
They ordered a Turmerry mattress for $1,200 and we're trying to figure out how it works. Here's the cover. It's a full, see, because it's going to go in the van. But then more. It's 70 inches wide. We measured it. How does it go in? And that's just one layer. There's more. Come out to the work site. So it came in 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it's a mess. 4. Those are its pillows. And we still got 2 rolls. This one right here is the same height as the one we've already unrolled. Now this one is significantly shorter. So, and there's the other box. So we don't really know. There's no instructions. We have no concept. What we think perhaps is you go big one, little one, big one, and then try to force that sandwich into the little bag. Stay tuned. We'll try to figure this out. We unrolled the one that was shorter and it fit. We put it in the bag. Then we unrolled the next one, the one that seemed bigger, but I think it's going to fit in the bag too. So they all we have is that one enormous one. And we're kind of wondering if maybe they just sent us a wrong piece. We're going to try to unroll this one and get it in too. We got the second one in. Yes, it fit in. There's still the big enormous one. We're going to flop back on here, but no, it doesn't fit.
We unwrapped all this mattress and stuff on Saturday and tried to put it together. And this is a king size we got instead of the full. The other 2 are the right size. We have sent multi emails trying to get these people to do something about it. The only 1 or 2 responses we got was send us pictures. And it's Wednesday now. It is Wednesday. They've had 3 business days. We also just requested that they send a full-sized out. No response to that. So we're gonna cut it from a king-sized down to a full size. We got one of the other mattresses out, laid it over the top of it to make sure we had the right measurements, double checked it, drew straight lines, and now we're getting ready to cut it.
Yeah. So the electric knife has this really bad design. Right where your thumb wants to go is the blade release. We're using the electric knife, and this is actually harder than was advertised, but it is working.
So no, I didn't get a perfect cut. You can see I went over the line right there. Right here it like slants in. That side looks a little bit better, but it's got some weird things on it too. So I think I would have preferred a regular knife, to be honest. So now comes the even harder part. We got a cover with a zipper at one end. We got to get it into the corner so we can sew this side up and sew the end up, get it marked all correctly, and sew it smaller into a full size instead of a king sized. So that's what you get for $1,200, is a whole day's work messing around with this crud.
It's done. We got it in. We did the cut. We sewed the new inside cover. Anyway, we got it done. It's inside. They get to test it for the first time. We've had, God, a serious amount of drama putting it together because their customer service is the worst. They just wouldn't even call. But we just cut it. I mean, the problem was we got a king size. So that was just too much mattress. Whatever. So we cut it. Anyway, now it's all set together, and I don't know what stack they're in. There's a soft, a medium, and a firm. And you're supposed to be able to change the bed by changing the stack. So they're gonna try it this way. And then we could try it some other one way by taking it back apart and changing the order of the stack. I don't know what we have now, but if we took them out, I think I would number them 1, 2, 3. So then you know for sure. Then you could do 2, 1, 3 or 3, 1, 2. So see, it's a whole cool system now that the putting it together drama is over.
I really wanted a latex mattress, all natural, and I looked at several, and I ordered through this Turmerry because they were an American company and they guaranteed immediate delivery. I opened the packages. The first one was this giant size, like king size. The other 2 were small. I went and wrote them the right size. They fit in the full mattress. I went and wrote them, how do I do this? I thought there must be some trick you do. They wrote me back, well, 1, 2, 3. There was no room for that 1, 2, 3. It was huge. They asked me to send pictures, which I did. They asked me the order number. I sent them the exact order number, and that was the last time I heard from them. Thing is mixed up. I don't know, did I get a soft, medium, and firm? Or did I get a firm, medium? I don't know. I feel I have no recourse. They won't talk to me. Are they just out here to rip me off? I received many emails asking me to please review their mattress. After I opened it, I received nothing except 2 emails asking what size and to send pictures. No matter what I write, they will not respond.
To wrap this all up, we did get 2 pillows, and Mom and Dad say they love them. This is a really cool system, actually. So these are the 2. They look nice and neat. They came the right size, and this is the one we had to modify. Doesn't fit perfectly. They say the mattress is really, really firm. With that considered, we feel a little ripped off. For $1,200 we had to modify a mattress, but the concept is really cool. Customer service never got back to us. They requested pictures, we sent them a video, pictures, harassed them for several days. It's like 2 weeks later. They haven't given us a phone call, haven't sent us any kind of apology, haven't sent us an email, haven't received another mattress. I don't know what's going on with them. Their customer service apparently is non-existent. So after you stack your 3 the way you want, this mattress unzips all the way around the entire mattress. So you lay those in there and you start at one end and go all the way around, and then you have a really beautiful mattress. As a final mattress, it looks really nice.